Alright, bitches, what the fuck is up? Alright, so, give me that phone. Give me this shit. Alright. Today we're gonna be ordering that fucking Lakemont Pizza and Grill. It's this new restaurant that just appeared somehow. I don't know. Alright, so here we are. Let's click on this. All pictures. So the restaurant looks pretty nice. Really like the vibes they have there. So we got this nice pizza, you know, it's got the pepperoni, the olives, the mushrooms. Really looking like a high quality pizza. Damn, that sign looks expertly made. Alright, that's salad? Yeah, that's a salad. That's what a salad looks like, yeah. Chicken bacon sub. Damn, their subs look pretty good. So, anyways. Okay, so now we're gonna actually order the food. It's just oh fuck. Alright. This number. Alright, yeah, so, I'm looking to get like a cheese pizza with like some of that onion, you know, some of that. Actually, you know, fuck it, just cheese. We're going with that cheese. And let me get like a chicken bacon sub. It's looking like a snack, and some of them wings, the juicy wings. Oh yeah, yeah, my address is. Motherfucker. Alright, see ya. Alright, I'm gonna hang up. No, you hang up. Oh my god. No, you first. Oh my god, just hang up. Okay, sweetie boy.
Bro, the food's here.
Food's here? Shit. Fuck do you open this?
Oh, what's up, dude?
is that the pizza?
What?
The sub? Is that the pizza?
Oh, is this for you? Oh, here we go.
Yeah. Alright. Bro, is that fucking dirt? Is that fucking dirt? What the
Yeah,
fuck?
bro, I dropped it. It's alright.
You get the fuck out of my sight before I pop a cap in your ass.
I got wings too.
Yo, what the fuck are the wings?
I forgot.
Are you gonna go give me the wings?
Nah.
Alright, you know, I had a 20 for you, but I guess I forgot it. Bitch.
That's cool.
Oh, alright. Ready for that Lakemont Pizza and Grill review, man. So, what do we got? Alright, we got this fucking, Jesus Christ. Pizza, I think. So, that shit, oh my lord. I mean, check out this delicious looking sub. Oh fuck. Yeah, looking like a snack. I think the most edible looking thing is this grape right here. You know? And let me just take a sip of this drink. Fucking food, bitch. Alright. Come here, you gotta see this. This is that pizza shit that they gave us. Look at this damn bro. Looking like a snack.
Out like a light.
Oh, fuck. Oh, whoa. What the fuck is this shit? Is this dirt on a sandwich? Is that a grape instead of an olive? The cheese is still in the wrapper.
Whoa, bro, we're doing the review. We're doing a review here.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh.
Dude, chill.
Oh, yeah,
chill.
Don't worry.
Chill, man. Yeah. Get the pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza's more important anyway.
All right, guys. So Wow, look at this pizza, man. It's looking great. How do I pick this up? What the fuck this? You know what? What the fuck? What the fuck? What happened to Subway? What happened to Subway? Why'd they have to take away Subway? What the hell? Man, fuck this shit. Oh!
Bro, you think he's gone yet?
I don't know, man. Where did he go? Alright, let's go look for him.
He's down this way.
Yeah, I think he went. Holy. Yeah, he's definitely down here. He went through here.
Fuck, get down.
Shh. Oh,
you hear that?
yeah. Shit.
What the fuck is that?
What is that?
Fucking god, that's him.
Holy shit. Fuck. Fuck, are you armed? No. Oh, fuck. What do we do?
I just tried to bring the fucking
Oh,
wings.
shit.
He's coming.
Oh. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh.